All right, Queen B.
All right, so my people, I hear said and talk say. On top of Cocoa of the Day, Amaka, you have come again. This is a Monday something.
But
I want to inspire
before you repeat them. May I repeat them?
Okay.
Before you talk them. The Cocoa be say, she love they enough for marriage. That be the Cocoa be that. Before Queen go check mouth. Una fit check your own mouth at our Twitter handle. Maybe talk Wazobia. Check your mouth, then maybe we hear what Queen get to talk here.
You know, so Billy Silly say na go be the. She say.
She
say Billy Silly say na be the glue. Where they add every other thing together. But I tell you, if you know first love the person, like our parents, they wonder how they take cope.
I tell you.
Because their parents give them out of love. They don't even get anything like love. Not be say they're into relationship. Some na picture. You see, and my son, they stay for Sokoto.
Yes,
he tall, he get this. So your own husband na picture. The day where you go there, if you get mouth odor, you shall live with it. If you get body odor, like me, we hate men, where they hairy. No, they can't give me picture, wait. Okay. All right, mommy, you can't go there, can't see bamboo. I go run.
But you know,
but love, they grow.
Thank you. Not just they talk.
No, it not day enough, but they grow. So not be saying when you super love person, now you go marry the person. But just get small love, like one thing about the person. Okay, so we with the gossip now. Why these women?
This was going to be.
No, when I know because when I actually get distracted.
Okay,
so what
we go really play this game. Betiana and me, Amaka and Uwi, we go see the winner, but not be today.
You know when you don't win the game.
See now when this is reach for now, you go say yes, you don't win. No, but you know, I don't win.
For me, I feel say love no day enough for marriage at all because it gets some kind plenty things. We need other factors for you to consider before you say okay you won't marry because if not only love I tell you say plenty big go do on top of marriage. For example, you see person where you say maybe SS and SS they won't marry. You can't say because of love you won't marry. Say love. You know you think about the future risks and then the future big way you say you go face the torture and everything where you go face on top of the marriage eventually. I tell you by the time all those ones start, you know go even remember say you not
love go die.
Love. I tell you love go disappear. Nobody say love go even die. Or you can't say okay I love the person. Person no get future. You no get drive. You no get goal. You no get anything. You say hey, I love him. You can't enter. You enter poverty. You enter depression. You enter frustration. You go hate your life. So love, yes, like our guest Billy Sule talk love na very very vital glue for inside the whole marriage thing. But you know they enough on its own alone. You still need other supporting factors. The love be like white rice. You still need stew. You still need shaki, chicken, tomo, you know, and a cold bottle of ice water.
Wait, where you stop just now? Where you stop? Man, just not.
Get out.
Where you stop now? Because I want win this one.
You know when you be champion, you want to show your
own.
Oh, we saw your.
You don't win one.
Love day enough.
All right, for me, I like what Billy Sule talk. No, you don't already stop now. Let me go continue. Like what did she talk? Like what did she talk? Yes, love now like the engine, as in engine oil, where you need to put for inside every relationship. Not be only if you hold the relationship. No yes, way. Love feed there, but you need to understand each other, compromise, plenty of other things they come under love. But for me, ain't not there enough. You need other things then. Yeah. You need other things. Okay, make I read to it. Because I don't
play.
Okay, so I'm
not play now. Two of them go play.
No, you go to play when you
take. Okay, maybe we do our motivational.
We don't get motivational.
We follow now.
No, do motivational quote of the day. Okay, tell them our motivational quote of the day.
All right, our motivational quote of the day is say, "No worry if people they talk behind your back." They say, the reason be saying now for your back they go fit talk.
Yes. I tell you, I really like this motivational quote.
It just be like when Betiana they gossip about me, say me I too like to the chop.
You too like to the listen.
I too like to the chop. Not be because I said
no, but the funny part,
but not care.
She don't like to the chop. She just likes to the cook. She know the chop Rita, she the cook. Now we they do the choppings.
You see. But for me, I really like this motivational quote because you get a lot of people where they out there. The only thing that they consign of, we say, this person too they gossip about me. This thing too they happen. Why did they gossip about me? Why this one they happen? Now you don't understand from the motivational quote say, it say no worry about people where they talk for your back. they your back for a reason. Your business, a very important business, where they need to discuss about. They go drop all their other business, them. They go discuss about you. So they happy. They happy say they discuss about you.
Yeah? You forget say if person don't talk about you, you they alive.
You're not in.
You are not in life.
Nobody talks about you. Then you are nobody.
Whether not true, then talk on a lie.
Okay, so
I'll just read one or two tweets people don't send. Person at Ayotex talk say, at Talk Wazobia, divorce settlement for Naija, K. If it happen for Naija, divorce go plenty pass. Waiting they happen for Obodo Ibo, it no go work. Another person talk on top the police matter at Idam6959 talk say to change for the police people say now to change their black-hatted uniform 9 them ones for inside we Naija. Another person can talk again at Slim Sheddies talk say Wazobia beg free this politician quarrel cause certainly all now war.
I tell you all now watch.
Then finally I get one tweet from Faith Bean. Where they talk on top in gift, in say whether making cousin come collect the gift for him. Yes, your cousin fit come so far. Your cousin come with valid ID and go send us in details for inbox on top Twitter.
Yes. All right, send us your details. Faith Bean. Time don't reach for us to go. Time don't reach for me to play Ayo. I don't understand why they take the Ayo for me, but I must play him. Ayo, yes, Ayo. All right, my name is Stephen Uwi Ehigiamusai.
Yes, my name is Bettiana Unweli. We can get very, very casual Monday afternoon.
And my name is Maka Okudia for me. Can enjoy your afternoon.
All right, my own still remain Queen B. Let them talk. May then day behind you because now forward, now with the match for 2015.
And as with all the talk, say to talk, not be batting, but
make you know what you talk about.
Oh yeah, give me that.
You don't even